Google Drive isn't just a cloud storage tool, it's a powerful platform for team collaboration. In 2025, Drive has improved features that make working with teammates easier, faster, and more organized. In this video, we'll explore the top team collaboration features you should be using. First up is real-time editing. Multiple team members can work on the same document, spreadsheet, or presentation at the same time. You'll see everyone's changes live, which reduces confusion and eliminates the need to send files back and forth via email. This is perfect for brainstorming sessions, group projects, or team reports. Next is comments and suggestions. Instead of changing a document directly, team members can leave comments or suggest edits. You can tag teammates using the @ symbol to assign tasks or ask questions. This keeps communication centralized and ensures feedback doesn't get lost in emails or chat threads. Shared drives are another game changer for team collaboration. Unlike personal folders, shared drives store files that belong to the team, not an individual. Even if someone leaves the team, the files stay in place. Shared drives are perfect for long-term projects, departments, or ongoing client work. Google Drive also offers advanced sharing and permission controls. You can set who can view, comment, or edit files. In 2025, folder-level access restrictions make it easier to protect sensitive information while still allowing collaboration. This ensures your team can work securely without compromising confidential data. Another key feature is version history. Teams can track who made changes, when, and restore previous versions if needed. This is especially helpful for large projects where multiple people are editing the same file, preventing accidental deletions or overwrites. Task assignments within files are also highly useful. You can assign action items directly in docs or sheets, and team members will receive notifications. This feature integrates smoothly with Google Tasks and helps keep everyone accountable without leaving the document. Finally, integration with other Google Workspace apps enhances collaboration. Drive works seamlessly with Gmail, Calendar, Meet, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and third-party apps. You can attach files and emails, schedule meetings around shared documents, or collaborate on slides during virtual meetings, all within the same ecosystem. In short, Google Drive offers powerful team collaboration tools, from real-time editing and commenting to shared drives, task assignments, and advanced permissions. Using these features ensures your team works smarter, stays organized, and keeps projects moving efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.